Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing accounts so linking is smooth. Make sure you're signed into the Google account on the same device and that Instagram is updated. This avoids token errors. Once done, open Instagram, go to your profile, tap the menu, then Settings. You will choose Account, then Sharing to other apps or accounts depending on your app version. This first action creates the permission flow. It tells Google to allow Instagram to access basic profile info for sharing and login purposes. Now you authorize access and confirm what Instagram can use. Tap Google and pick the account you want to link. Instagram will request permission scopes such as profile and email. Make sure to read scopes, grant only what's necessary for sharing or login. Once you approve, Instagram exchanges tokens with Google. That creates the connection. If you see a web prompt or Google sign-in screen, enter your password or complete two-factor authentication to finish the handoff securely. Finish by confirming the link and testing it immediately. Go to Account Center or Linked Accounts to ensure your Google account is listed. Then try sharing a post or using Google to log in to validate. If something fails, make sure you cleared cache, updated both apps, and completed two-factor verification. If problems persist, remove the Google connection on Instagram and repeat the authorization. This refreshes tokens and often fixes permission conflicts. Contact support only after reattempting these steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.